Hey, are you struggling to verify your phone number with your YouTube channel? You enter the number, but it doesn't work? Well, you're not alone. Stick around because I'm about to share a simple fix for this common problem. So, you're trying to verify your YouTube channel with your phone number, and when you enter the number, you get stuck. The message says something like, verification failed, and you're left confused. Here's why this happens. The number you're trying to use may have already been used to verify 2 different YouTube channels in the same year. Yes, YouTube allows only 2 channels to be verified with a single phone number within 1 year. After that, you can't use the same number again for verification until the next year. So, for example, if your phone number has already been used for 2 channels this year, you won't be able to verify your new channel with that number. But don't worry, the solution is simple. All you need to do is use a different phone number to verify your channel. By doing this, you'll easily be able to verify your YouTube account and get back to creating awesome content. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick YouTube tips. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.